In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to work with layers in Canva. Layers are a fantastic tool for organizing elements, giving you greater control over your designs, and ensuring that everything looks just the way you want. Let's start by diving right in. First, you'll want to open your design in Canva. If you have an element you'd like to adjust, right-click on it to bring up a menu of options. This menu is your gateway to accessing layer controls, which will help you organize elements and ultimately polish your design. Once you've right-clicked on your chosen element, hover your mouse over the layer option. You'll notice that options will begin to appear, and you'll want to be mindful of selecting the right one for your needs. The layer menu is a helpful tool for navigating through your design elements and understanding the sequence and hierarchy in which they are arranged. This is important because the order of layers can affect visibility and how elements interact with one another. Next, you'll click on Show Layers. This action will open a side panel on your screen, displaying all the layers present in your design. This view is incredibly helpful as it gives you an overview of every element you're working with and their specific order. It's like an organizational chart for your design, making it easier to select, adjust, and perfect each element. Now, with the Layers panel open, you can adjust the position of each layer by simply dragging and dropping them to your desired location. This flexibility enables you to move any element forward, backward, or even arrange them in specific orders without altering the overall design itself. It's a powerful feature that ensures your creativity isn't hampered by rigid element placement. As you move layers around, remember that this rearranging can significantly impact your design's composition. For example, if text is placed behind an image due to layer ordering, it might become invisible to viewers. Always check to make sure that the arrangement of layers supports the clarity and appearance you're aiming for. This combination of right-clicking, hovering, showing, and dragging may sound simple, but it unlocks a world of organizational possibilities in Canva. It empowers you to be more precise and deliberate with your design layouts, ensuring that every element is perfectly tuned to your vision. And that's it. Now you know the essentials of working with layers in Canva. This powerful function can transform how you create designs, providing a professional touch with clear, concise organization. So go ahead, try these steps in your next project and experience the ease of perfectly layered designs. Thanks for joining me today and happy designing.